let's use pivot tables to analyze births at your local hospital. This is based on real data. So what we have is the day of the week of the birth, was it a normal birth or was it a C-section birth? And we want to see if there are more births on certain days of the week or less births on other days of the week. So first of all, we should probably look at each day of the week, how many births. So we can go insert, pivot table. Okay, it picked up our data, existing worksheet, get the field list. So I want to know for each day of the week, how many births. So I could just drag type of birth to the values. Okay, now we could do a chart there. That would be nice. So under the Analyze tab, we would do a pivot chart. And that looks good. Make it a little smaller. Okay, so what we can see if you look at this chart is Saturday and Sunday there are less births. Fewer births on weekends. Now you can guess why this is. We have the data on whether it was a C-section or not, right? Okay. And so basically we'll do another pivot table where we try and look at each day of the week, how many normal births and how many C-section births. We'll find there are less less C-section births on the weekends because the doctors probably have things they'd rather do on the weekends than deliver babies by C-section. The normal births you sort of can't control when the baby comes. So let's see if that's the case. So we do insert a pivot table. Okay, existing worksheet. We could dump it down here. Okay. So now I could do the day of the week, and I could put the type of birth in the column field, and I could do the type of birth there. And so we look down here, we see what's going on. Okay, see each day of the week there's roughly the same number of normal births, but on the weekends, okay, there are almost no C-section births. And again, we could summarize that with a chart if we wanted. So we could go Analyze, and we go Pivot Chart, and that should be good. Again, we don't want it that big, but we can see that on Saturday and Sunday, the blue, which is the C-sections, they hardly exist because the doctors have other things they'd rather do on the weekends, I guess, than deliver C-sections. Although from the hospital standpoint, it would be better, I think, to spread the utilization out throughout the week. So I'll bet some hospitals pay bonuses to doctors for delivering babies via C-section on the weekends because they'll have unused capacity on the weekends. So that's a good example of how a pivot table can sort of attack a problem. We have unstructured data and we can really understand what's going on with the data.
Okay, so thanks for watching, and there's a free course, a free 21-day course from Dr. Winston, and all of these videos are coming from one of 3 books. So first, this one, which you can see here at the top of the screen, Microsoft's book, which has 355 reviews, and then it's, let's see, 4.6 stars. It's coming from this book as well, his marketing analytics book, which is down here, and you can sort of see 4.5, or his newest book, his analytics stories book, which is here. And with that one, you can see it's 4 point something, or maybe even 5. I don't think it's 5. Yeah, 4.8. And so yeah, anyways, in the description, there's a free 21-day course from Dr. Winston, or you can go to excelwithwayne.com/free, and it'll be there. But again, thanks for watching, and if you have any questions, just please let us know. Thanks.